In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a college or high school on Facebook. That is quite simple and easy to do, guys, so let's begin. And first, open up Facebook application and then hit add your profile photo. Then tap at edit profile and here scroll down for a bit. There at details you can find education, but this is empty, so I can hit add edit and there I can add a high school and a university. So I can hit add high school, then I have to tap here, that's actually the search, and there I can start typing and it shows up different results. I can look at them and select some result. You can't actually write there whatever you want, you can just select among the results. Next, you can enter class year, just hit there at year and select some, then hit OK. And also you can change the privacy of that information, so you can hit add public, that's public by default, and then you can hit here add friends or only me, or you can hit add see more. And there you got more options. I will set it to only me and then I can hit on save. And there at the same way I can hit add a university and add university here. And after that just check mark your school and university, and now you can just hit save to save the changes. That's how it works. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe.